because the one person he thought didn't matter at all to me was the one person that mattered the most.
Saw him once. He looked sad.
So take my hand and perfectly we fill the gaps. You and me make three. I was meant for you and you for me.
Dare you throw away the beautiful gifts you were born with? And how dare you betray the love of your friends? Say you're sorry.
Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
Merry Christmas, Molly Hooper.
My wounded wings to be tame. You always love the stranger inside me. I'll be pretty. You've always loved the strange bird.
You always say such horrible things. Every time.
I want
Hope you'll be very happy, Molly Hooper.
Sorry.
my wounded wings to be
A bit like my dad.
You've always
When he was
loved the strange
dying, he was always cheerful. He was lovely, except when he thought no one could see.
me ugly pretty.
You can see me.
I don't care.
I am sorry. Forgive me.